Welcome. In front of me is a Chuwi HiPad X, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So anyway, to get started you want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the tablet turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will take you to the boot mode right here, which you can see right over here. And using volume up only, you want to select first option, assuming it is not selected. So you can just flip through them. And once it's selected, press volume down. Now, next thing you should see is the Android logo with no command. There we go. So when you see this, hold power key and press volume up while holding power key. There we go. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here, using both volume keys to navigate, you'll want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, confirm it with power key, select yes, and at the bottom you will have a quick dialog, so wiping cache and then cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again, and this will now initiate a reboot and continue and actually just boot us back into Android. And there we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.